All right, 1442 Topar Avenue in the heart of the Country Club area is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath plus an office. Almost the office could almost be a 4th bedroom for $1,995,000. Probably the most interesting thing of it is that it is on a 20,000 square foot lot. Now the house does sit up, so you go up to it and then it has a flat backyard, which is a wonderful backyard. Now inside the house, it feels very 70s-ish, but in a good way if you like contemporary 70s. Very open. The top part of the house has a kind of a glassed atrium thing on the roof line that really brings in a lot of natural light. So I just love that aspect of it. Now the bedroom wing is kind of split. Now you have essentially the office and another bedroom on the far left-hand side, and the master on another bedroom on the far right-hand side, which won't be for everybody, but I think for the right kind of person, they're actually going to like that kind of layout. I think that's very, very strong. Kitchen is in the front of the house. Big, you enter, you have a big sort of entryway into the living room area that then looks into the backyard. I would say the backyard is probably its biggest unusual aspect, in that it is a big backyard, totally flat. It's a pool, has a converted pool house that was redone nicely, that I think a lot of people are going to love. And it's just very beautiful. It's southwest facing, so you get this great sun. Very pleasant, very quiet. So location, we're going to definitely give this a 9+. Topar is not, I've always said Topar is not one of the prettier streets in the Country Club area, but all of the Country Club area is fantastic. So, Arbor and some of the other streets are more well known for their canopies. Topar's, not quite as well known for being beautiful, but still it's a very strong street with some nice, nice newer houses on it. And then, of course, the last thing we're talking about is just value at $1,995,000. Again, in this market, I really feel like at 2,600 square feet with that lot, the lot value alone is almost worth $1,990,000. So I think there's a very, very high chance this is going to sell certainly in the 5 to 10% above asking price. If I can be of any help in the Country Club area to help you walk through trying to find a great place here, just let me know. This property, by the way, is listed by Alon Pinnell Realtors, and I am David Schroyer with Intero. Thank you.